Ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a controversial video. It's not going to be for every single person out there. However, it's relevant to every single kind of drinker that you can think of. A weekend warrior, a binge drinker, a daily drinker, even a normal drinker. Because there's something that if you notice, you must not stop drinking alcohol yet. Because if anything, that if you notice the thing that I'm going to break down in this video today, not only is your journey going to be more difficult, but it's going to be downright dangerous. And listen, I promise you, I am not trying to belittle you. If you are trying to stop drinking alcohol, I respect you. I admire you. But there is so many people out there that want you to drink alcohol that today I've just got to be real with you. I've got to give you the raw truth that might make you feel uncomfortable. You might watch this video and feel this twisting anxiety in your chest because I'm going to be talking about things that you might not want to face. So listen. Please watch this video. Please don't make the mistake that I'm going to break down today because I want you to break free. I want you to break free from the years of slavery that most of the population go through. I want you to get to a place where you're sober clear, right? The name of my business, soberclear.com, the logo on the polo shirt here. That's where I want to get you. I want you to get sober and so clear that you don't want to drink. Now listen. Take this video with a pinch of salt, right? If you watch it and you still want to stop drinking alcohol, you don't need to agree 100% with every single ounce of this video. But if you try to stop drinking alcohol and you still believe there's a benefit to consuming it, I promise you your journey is going to be difficult. Why do I say that? Because if you stop drinking and you think that there's something good to gain from drinking alcohol, two things will happen. The first thing is that you live the rest of your life miserable. You hide in the shadows. You don't go to the social events. You skip the weddings. You skip the dinners. You don't take your partner out dating. You kind of hide in the shadows and avoid alcohol for the rest of your life because you see it as a good thing. Therefore, you have to resist it. And that's no existence. I don't know about you, but I didn't want to have to hide in the shadows for the rest of my life. Neither did I want to go to meetings and sit around in a circle feeling sorry for myself from the drinking days. I wanted to get to a place where I didn't want to drink, where I didn't see a benefit to consuming it. I saw only negatives, but I was so clear on that it was easy to not drink. But the first thing that can happen is that if you still see a benefit to drinking alcohol, you will live the rest of your life feeling miserable. Now, the second thing that can happen if you still see a benefit of drinking alcohol, sure, you feel miserable, but some people don't drink for 30 years. They're not particularly happy with that decision. They just do it because they were kind of forced to, but they never drink. But the other side of the equation is a lot more dangerous because what can happen if you still see that benefit of drinking alcohol? You start to buy into the illusion again. And what can usually happen is like you stop drinking alcohol and there's this little seed in your mind. And over the next months and years ahead, it gets watered because the conditioning doesn't stop. Whether you drink or not, there will still be messages that are pushed to you all the time that drinking alcohol is a good thing. So this little seed, this little ounce of doubt that you had when you started your journey grows and grows and grows because other people will continually water it. What do you think happens to somebody that starts their journey holding on to this idea that alcohol is a good thing 3 years down the line? And that seed just will grow out of control till sadly somebody ends up drinking again. Now listen, I'm not here to create fear in you that you're going to drink again. I'm not trying to create scare tactics. What I want you to do is to get into such a crystal clear state of mind that you see no benefit to drinking again. That's the key here. That's the whole point of this video. You need to get to that place because without being there, your journey will be difficult. Your journey will be hard. Is it going to be impossible? No, I'm not saying you're going to relapse for sure, but I'm telling you one thing, it's going to be a damn sight harder if you still see a benefit of drinking alcohol. And that's why I talk about first principles thinking and reframing the way that you view alcohol. That's why I talk about doing the work, doing the research, reading the books, watching the videos, getting into the place that I'm in, that have helped hundreds of people do as well. Because once you're there and you don't see the benefit of drinking alcohol, then it's like giving up eggs. You don't struggle to give up eggs. You don't struggle to give up strawberries. You're not addicted to eggs. You're not addicted to strawberries. Yet most of the population are addicted to alcohol. So they hold on to it. But I promise you, holding on to this idea can cost you everything. Now, if you click the video on the screen right now, you're going to learn why this problem exists with a totally new system to gain control.